What do fewer dots indicate in a dot density map? A. Higher concentrations. B. Points of equal pressure. C. Areas of high elevation. D. Lower concentrations. The correct answer is D. Lower concentrations. What causes the planets to revolve around the Sun in their respective orbits? A. Centrifugal force. B. Planetary magnetic fields. C. Gravitational pull of the Sun. D. Solar wind. The correct answer is C. Gravitational pull of the Sun. Which office is shown near the Tamil Nadu State Transport Corporation? A. TWAD office. B. Railway station. C. Police station. D. Post office. The correct answer is A. TWAD office. What did the elders tell their children to do if the water recedes after an earthquake? A. Go to the beach. B. Stay in their homes. C. Seek shelter in a cave. D. Run to high ground. The correct answer is D. Run to high ground. From the total freshwater, what percentage is available as groundwater? A. 2.20%. B. 2.15%. C. 0.60%. D. 2.80%. The correct answer is C. 0.60%. Which type of valley is formed when a glacier moves down along a river valley, eroding it deep and wide? A. U-shaped valley. B. Hanging valley. C. Lateral valley. D. V-shaped valley. The correct answer is A. U-shaped valley. What percentage of India's total copper reserves is accounted for by Jharkhand and West Bengal? A. 10.1%. B. 7.9%. C. 5.2%. D. 8.5%. The correct answer is B. 7.9%. What was a result of man's inventions and developments? A. A reduction in resource consumption. B. A decline in technological advancement. C. A decrease in global population. D. An improvement in the standard of living. The correct answer is D. An improvement in the standard of living. The text mentions that asteroids are located in a specific region relative to planets. Where is this belt located? A. Between Mars and Jupiter. B. Inside Earth's orbit. C. Around the Sun. D. Beyond Neptune. The correct answer is A. Between Mars and Jupiter. What is the approximate area of the coldest continent in square kilometers? A. Over 14 million sq km. B. Exactly 12 million sq km. C. About 9.3 million sq km. D. Less than 10 million sq km. The correct answer is A. Over 14 million sq km. Which of the following features are found on the Earth's surface? A. Sunspots. B. Lofty mountains. C. Asteroids. D. Comets. The correct answer is B. Lofty mountains. What type of system is mentioned to be discussed in detail in the lesson? A. The education system. B. The street address system. C. The solar system. D. The transport system. The correct answer is C. The solar system. What type of organisms are heterotrophs dependent on for their nourishment? A. Omnivores. B. Decomposers. C. Autotrophs. D. Carnivores. The correct answer is C. Autotrophs. What two types of crust is the Earth's crust classified into? A. Upper and lower crust. B. Continental and oceanic crust. C. Ciel and seama crust. D. Lithospheric and asthenospheric crust. The correct answer is B. Continental and oceanic crust. What educational topic is associated with the ICT corner? A. Biosphere. B. Lithosphere. C. Atmosphere. D. Hydrosphere. The correct answer is D. Hydrosphere. What does the text list along with mountains and plains as a second-order landform? A. Lake. B. River. C. Plateaus. D. Valley. The correct answer is C. Plateaus. What unit is used to measure runoff rate? A. cm. B. Acre feet. C. Cubic feet per second. D. Cubic feet. The correct answer is C. Cubic feet per second. In the early days, what did people do from one place to another? A. They established governments. B. They traded goods. C. They moved. D. They built settlements. The correct answer is C. They moved. What is the position of the Indian postal network globally based on its size? A. Second largest. B. Third largest. C. Fourth largest. D. Largest. The correct answer is D. Largest. Knowing the north direction makes it easy to find which of the following are the other cardinal directions. B. Only elevation changes. C. Only the distance to other locations. D. The exact time of day. The correct answer is A. The other cardinal directions. What percentage of the Earth's water is salt water? A. 50%. B. 75%. C. 2.8%. D. 97.2%. The correct answer is D. 97.2%. Which of these is a listed method for conserving and managing soil? A. Developing large mines. B. Expanding commercial fishing. C. Constructing new roadways. D. Constructing dams and barrages. The correct answer is D. Constructing dams and barrages. What supercontinent did India belong to millions of years ago? A. Rodinia. B. Gondwana. C. Columbia. D. Pannotia. The correct answer is B. Gondwana. What is dynamic metamorphism associated with? A. High pressure primarily. B. Low temperature and high pressure. C. Low pressure primarily. D. High temperature and low pressure. The correct answer is A. High pressure primarily. What is the annual rainfall threshold for regions to be considered drought-prone in India? A. Less than 60 centimeters. B. Less than 75 centimeters. C. Less than 100 centimeters. D. Less than 40 centimeters. The correct answer is A. Less than 60 centimeters. In what season is the weather typically cool? A. Summer. B. Autumn. C. Winter. D. Spring. The correct answer is C. Winter. Which major development in human society began during the period when important cities were found in Europe? A. The exploration of new continents. B. The discovery of electricity. C. The invention of the printing press. D. The domestication of plants and animals. The correct answer is D. The domestication of plants and animals. In which country is Carcassonne located, as mentioned in the context of ancient cities? A. India. B. Greece. C. France. D. Egypt. The correct answer is C. France. What are the major agents of soil erosion? A. Volcanic ash and lava. B. Running water and wind. C. Sunlight and temperature. D. Gravity and seismic activity. The correct answer is B. Running water and wind. What is responsible for the formation of clouds? A. Condensation. B. Precipitation. C. Evaporation. D. Transpiration. The correct answer is C. Evaporation. How did you score?